It's Bonnie. Happy Monday. Check it out. I got a box from Lush a couple days ago. I'm like, is this the April Lush Kitchen? Because if it is, it came awfully early, but I thought I already did March. So I'm gonna dig into this one because I'm a little bit confused if I'm like a month off. So oops, let me open this up. Open it up. Check it out. It says, back for a good time. Not a long time. For nearly 30 years, Lush has been creating innovative, sustainable products. This month's box looks back at some of our most loved creations. So, yeah, I'm kind of excited about what's in this box. Okay, are you ready? I've got my actual receipt up here. They put a little receipt in here, which actually makes it a little bit easier. Lush Kitchen is $49 a month. Check it out. First up, we've got the Phoenix Rising Bath Bomb. This is actually really pretty. This one has got, let's see, what the heck scents in here? Bergamot, citrus? It's spicy. I gotta say, I don't remember this one now. This might have been a Lush creation before my time, but it's a little spicy. I do see something I recognize though. Not this. What did I get? Oh my gosh, I got the popcorn lip scrub. Are you kidding me? Popcorn. Oh, this is so buttery. I'm not gonna put it on now, otherwise, my lipstick's gonna smear. Check it out. Popcorn lip scrub. Okay, it's funny. The Lush lip scrub, I swear, is better than any lip scrub I've ever used. It's the sugar crystals, it's the smell, it's the taste is absolutely wonderful. Next up, we have a French Kiss. Is this the French Kiss? No, that's not the French Kiss. I don't think it is. If it is, it looks a little different than the picture. Okay, I think this is the French Kiss, except my little lavender piece fell off. I do remember this one. It's a really pretty lavender bubble bar. Oh, now this is like true lavender. It smells exactly like a lavender field. It's kind of like that the Epsom salt lavender. It's really good though. I gotta say, this is a winner. Okay, next up, what is in slot number 4? Birth of Venus. What the heck is this? I don't remember this one at all. It's a jelly mask. The Birth of Venus jelly mask. I'm going to do this one last because I think I'm going to get goopy. I do not want to get goopy and then have to do something else. Okay. Oh, Sonic Death Monkey. Oh my gosh, are you kidding me? I've heard about this. Sonic Death Monkey. What does this smell like? I can't even imagine. Oh wow. This actually smells really, really good. It is a favorite since records began. Roll out of bed and straight into the arms of a coffee and cocoa powder embrace. It does smell like cocoa and coffee. This is a strong one. Oh my gosh. That's exciting. Sonic Death Monkey. Okay, I'm loving that. Okay, now I'm going to do the Birth of Venus. Are you guys ready? Oh, it's just basically, okay, this is a jelly mask, a masterpiece of toning fresh seawater, soothing lavender, and calming chamomile. Oh, this does smell really good. So, I'm going to look, it's like, this is what it looks like. It's funny because this looks more like a shower jelly than it does a mask, but I'm guessing you could maybe take it out and just kind of put it on your face as a mask. This is a jelly face mask. Okay, it smells really good though, but it is like a little goopy here. So, overall, yeah, I'm really liking this box. I feel like this is a winner. Um, the Sonic Death Monkey smells so good. Chocolate and espresso. I gotta use this tonight. I'm so excited about this. Oh my gosh, this looks like it's gonna be amazing. It's also got sweet wild orange in it, tangerine oil, vanilla absolute. Got a lot of good stuff in here. I think this is gonna be fun. And then I'm beyond excited about the popcorn lip scrub. It's so sweet and buttery. Yay! Okay, good Lush kitchen box this month. Check it out. Back for a good time. Anyway, I keep like thinking, should I cancel this? But then I get stuff that I really kind of like. I think I'm gonna keep going on the Lush kitchen. It's fun to share Lush with you guys. I really do enjoy their products. I love their stuff. Um, and it's like one of those things that I have a lot of, but at the same time, I'm like, oh my gosh, it smells so good, you guys. Okay, I'm just gonna sit here and smell everything for a while. Anyway, thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys later. Bye bye.